Hello guys, good afternoon from here. So I'm so happy with the predictions I've done from Euro USD down to DXY. And you guys know that from the first week of October I've been predicting bullish on Euro USD start from here, and you can see from here I say that we bullish tomorrow, and that is October 6th. Since then I've been anticipating a bullish movement. You can see my directional barriers up to this high, and yeah, and in that way ever since, and also since I predicted Nasdaq. So now we're going to our charts and we will look at it. So number one was Euro USD. You have already seen that it followed my directional barriers by being bullish and leaving October low behind. We have this October low, so the low I marked out, and I was targeting bullishness, and I said we'll be targeting I think this is the 20 days high. We also have 40 days. I think 40 days high was this, and the 60 days high was this one right here. So we have approached the 20 days high very smooth and clean, and the next one was Nasdaq. Nasdaq's already hit our directional barrier, so target, which is the weekly zero range, and now we are approaching the next high, in which I'm targeting, trying to take liquidity from there. Also, the directional barriers from the higher time frame I've already explained before, from the higher time frame. Now also I also shared you guys on DXY before it happened, and I'm very happy with that one. I broke another record in prediction. The first one was on gold, and now the next one, this current one now, is on DXY. Though we already seen Nasdaq played out, we already see Euro USD played out, and that shows perfection in prediction, trying to know where the price is to run to, and that shows a proof to how the algorithm operates in the market and how algorithm delivers price in the market. So you can actually see that on DXY it ran for the low I talk about, which is previous month low, and I said we'll be trading into this imbalance, and long term we will get to see if we would like to go below this low. So that is very good, and it shows the how the prediction played out. So sorry for my voice, I'm actually sick. So yeah, today I just want to show you guys that DXY played out and show you guys the update, and also BTC, also one of the pairs predicted also was BTC. BTC has already played out a long time ago, and we get to see where it is right now, right here. So remember I said the next target I might be looking at will be this high right here on the 47,000. Damn, I missed buying BTC. I missed investing on BTC when it was at this price level, but it's cool, it's fine. I get to look for the assets that are more cheaper for me to invest in, because this kind of amount is very expensive for me to purchase just one. So yeah, I could like go try look for ones that are in $100, $200. You get the point. So yeah, we get to see if you be drawn to this high. This is the 3 months time frame, and even if you go to the 6 months time frame, you can actually see that this right here is an overall long-term bullish market, and the D range highs and low is this high and this low. So you can actually see we have this higher high and this is a higher low, and the next expectation could be a new higher high, and yeah, we get to see how it goes. Now this one right here, you can actually see that when this candlestick opened, it traded lower to balance gap. So the inefficiency that was there, it actually went to balance the inefficiency, and now trying to look for its way out. And the target I'll be looking at will be this high, before I'll be looking up to this high, and that is all I have on BTC. And you should know that price will fluctuate, like price will range for some time, probably for some weeks or a month before trying to find its way up to this high. Alright, trying to fight itself from resistance and support. like we have this imbalance right here. I say we'll have a little reaction right here. Last year I talked about it, or probably the first week of this year, January. I think I posted that I'll be buying BTC, and we have a little reaction right here, and we have it right here, and we still like to see it go higher because we have double bottom, double top right here to have to grab liquidity from there, and we still have this fair value gap above right here where it could have a little reaction. Okay, but the thing that makes me happy right now is my prediction on DXY. I'm predicting it few hours before it played out. Alright, like if you go to my YouTube channel right here, 3 days ago I predicted it, and we finally played out right here. Okay, because I explained that the algorithm are taking the buy orders from here, which is selling to those who are willing to buy. And since this is an area of resistance that was broken, that means we're having a strong, and this is the higher time frame, that means there is tons of liquidity above right here, in which the algorithm we have to take that orders and then deliver it and sell to those people who are willing to buy at this breakout. So that is a nice one. And also remember the accumulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation to the upside to take also orders from this area up here at this resistance area that was broken, and now we're trading lower. All right, so what do you think will happen to the dollar index in case of what is happening in the war? I think I also posted it on my Facebook page. I talked about the war that is going on, and I said, where did I say it? Alright, so I said that if there's a war going on, that means that the Federal Reserve will be printing too many currency, too many dollars, and the reason why they have to be printing too many currency is to fund the war. You understand? And since printing of money, excessive money, leads to inflation and devaluation of the currency, that means that the dollar will drop because they are printing too many money, and they are now distributing it outside so that they could fund war. All right, because every other country that is participating in the war, they are exchanging the dollar to purchase ammunitions, and war is not a good thing. War always affects the currency. Yeah, just want to brief that for you guys, and this is how it is. So yeah, that is how you can use the algorithm to predict the price, and use that to know when the right time to invest and the right time to leave the market. Understanding how the algorithm operates. We have seen me do that on gold last year, and it played out. You have seen me do it on Nasdaq recently, and now DXY also on BTC. That shows you the power of you understanding the algorithm. Once you get to understand how the algorithm operates and what it means to deliver the price in the market, you can predict the market where it has to go 90% of the time. Alright, if you do it right. And so yeah, and you guys should not forget that my course is available on Udemy. You can go, I'll drop the description link, I'll drop the link to the Udemy course on the description, so you can go there and purchase the course and learn everything about the algorithm, learn everything about liquidity, learn everything on how you can mark out your structure, because structure is the number one problem in trading, understand your structure. Just like most of you will be thinking you're seeing higher highs on highs right here, but that realizing that you're having a ranging market, and when there's a ranging market, that means there is a liquidity present in that area, and when there's liquidity present and when there's a ranging market, that means you're having the algorithm range, and you have to master the algorithm range to predict where prices to run to, and know the next move of the algorithm and where it wants to deliver the price to. Okay, so yeah, stay safe and take care of yourself, and safe trading.